Have you ever been with someone who just couldn't stop hiccuping? I used this technique on a TV anchorman who got the hiccups while covering our racing program. In the past, he had had the hiccups for 3 days and ended up in the hospital. I was ready to take him ashore, but asked if I could try this technique first. It worked. So we just grab the hands and we put pressure on the first joint of the 2 ring fingers with a thumb and a finger underneath, pressing down hard for a long enough time to make the hiccups disappear. And I've done it a number of times and it's worked.